Hello, this is Luana Wickert from Consensus. Today I'm going to present you a new enhancement feature SAP has implemented on version 10, 2022. Now you can hide those unused user-defined tables. Have you ever had to find a table that you need to find information or enter some information and you had to go through a big list that you don't know even what's used for because most of them are used for internal processes? Well, now you don't need to see them. So on the creation part of user-defined tables from tools, customization tools, user-defined table setup, you can select which ones are going to be displayed on the menu. If you have one created, you can and you don't like to see that, you can just unselect it. So in my sample here, I had 3 tables, just the 1 and 3 should be shown and the 2 shouldn't. So I'm going to close here. If I come to user-defined windows, I just have 1 and 3 here. I hope this tip can be helpful for you.